Hello and welcome to the Philippines. I rented a motorbike for about a week over on Bohol Island, and I'll give you the contact information, the people that I rented it from later. Rented a Honda for a couple days that you had to shift, and then we switched to an automatic Yamaha, and glad we did that. End up with a flat tire down the road a ways. Actually, it wasn't quite flat, it was low. And fortunately, there are a lot of vulcanizers, tire repair shops around, and cost us 40 pesos, about 80 US cents, to get that repaired. Uh, those people told us about a waterfalls not very far away. The first clue that this might not be a good idea might have been the fact that there was no signage for a waterfall down this road. But we decided to go anyway, and we stopped and asked people where the waterfalls was a number of times, and on a couple of occasions we were told, oh, after we asked how many kilometers, how far is it? Oh, 3 kilometers. And 6 kilometers further, asked somebody, how far is it? One thing I've found in the Philippines is that many people judge distances by time and not kilometers or miles. It will take you 1 hour. It will take you, 2.5 hours to get from here to there. I have no idea how many kilometers that is. That's not really important, and I understand that. But this road gets narrower and narrower, and I'm only showing you probably maybe 30% of the video just for the sake of time. A lot of people living back here, farming, taking care of business, living life. And if you want to get away from the city, if you want to live in the province, in the country, you just start driving down one of these back roads. And quite a bit of infrastructure work going on, different places back in here, repairing bridges, laying concrete. And the road got a little rough in some of these places. Didn't very rare to see a four-wheel vehicle. A lot of motorbikes, a few tricycles. When we finally arrived at the waterfalls, we did meet a group. I think there were 4 people from France that had made it up to the top.
Hey sir, asaan ka ng falls diri? Falls.
Dapat Dimiao.
Layo pa kayo?
Mga 3 kilometers diyan pa 4.
Ah, okay.
Ya pagkakuan niyo ato kuan mga namay eskwelahan bitaw magalabay mo eskwelahan. Kunya unahan anak pa patuo dayon.
Okay. Salamat.
Salamat. And then the road goes right through a basketball court area. That kind of surprised me. And then the road got more narrow. Still well paved for a ways here, until it wasn't. Ask anybody else? Huh?
Oh, yeah, okay.
Hello!
Asa ang kuan? Asa ang falls? Asa dapita? Ah, okay. Layo pa kayo?
Layo-layo na siya mabangmato.
Ah. Salamat. Napay daghan mo adto?
Dagan. Sama ta karon sa may nga kuan dagan kay mo.
Salamat. Okay. Alright. Thank you.
Recording? How many? The drive back here was gorgeous, and I think a lot of people come back in here. A lot of foreigners, a lot of tourists come down this road, and then when they hit the rough road, which we're going to come upon here in a little bit, pretty much a mountain trail, I think a lot of the people turn around, and I considered it. I did consider turning around, but we made it up and we made it back down. Wow. Cool. I think that it appears that we're going faster than we really are. Not absolutely positive, but the video as I'm editing it looks like I'm going faster than I think we were really going. Rice being dried on the side of the road. Stopped, talked to the few people that were raking the rice, and they tell me it takes about a day to dry that rice out. And they take it to the mill, I presume. Banana trees, coconut trees, rice fields, very small rice fields up here in the hilly area.
Hello.
Everybody was very friendly. And a few cornfields. Of course, you have your chickens and roosters and dogs. Dogs are generally not aggressive, but they're also not friendly. Or rice drying. And if you try to approach them to pet them, they get, they don't know you. They get scared. They could snip at you. So it is generally advised that you don't approach animals out here. Or probably any place that you don't know the animal.
We're back in the mountains now.
Lots of people living back here, and they've got schools, churches,
All right. So now
or basketball court.
Okay.
It's election season, so you get your election posters out. There's a big election in May. All kinds of election posters. Amazing how much material is plastered on the walls. And here we're in some of that rougher, a little bit rougher terrain. A few people walking back in here. I certainly understand if they don't want to drive any type of vehicle. And I'm certainly happy we didn't have another flat tire back in here.
More rice. Wonder where they grow it. It's all mountains.
We rented this motorbike from a guy, Mario Motor Rental. And I believe he has a small office or stand beside Ocean Jet ticketing area out at the terminal in Tagbilaran City.
Layo pang falls. Inahan pa yun. Isa ka pa mi? Adol na. Okay.
Salamat. Not many tourists come up here. Wow, straight?
Straight.
Wow. And then back up. No, we gotta go back up. Wow.
Pahangog Falls. I don't think I pronounced that correctly. I think I heard some people calling it Twin Falls. It was a long jaunt down there, and but worth it. It was interesting to see. Nice crew up here. 420 pesos a piece, locals 10. And some people were swimming in it, take their pictures in it. Not staying there very long. I think it was rather chilly water, but it was interesting. You can rent some, well, I think you just use the little cottages there. Here's a map, gives you some idea where it's located. We left on a little road out of Dimiao, where we got the tire fixed. And anyway, thank you for watching. Please like the video. Please share the video. Please subscribe. Safe travels to you all wherever you're at. And we'll see you next time.